So welcome to the third part. Here the question is saying that how much work would be done if the external force were suddenly reduced to half its initial value instead of being gradually reduced. So this condition comes here, this here. The external force is suddenly reduced to half. You can see here this way. This is your initial condition, and then suddenly you just break this weight into half part you take away, and here you are left with only 7 bar pressure outside. So immediately if you take the photograph, you will see this thing, that the gas pressure will still be at 14 bar. It will not change immediately, instantaneous change will not be there. 14 bar, and then in next moment this gas will just kind of explode. You can say that high pressure gas is there outside, there is very little pressure, so it will start expanding outside. So here at certain point it will come like this, means piston is going up at this time. 13 bar it will become, and after then it will become 12 bar, 11 bar, 10 bar, and ultimately this situation will come, but actually it will not come like this immediately. When it will reach to 7 bar, because of the moment, this I mean to say momentum, because of the momentum this pressure will go away up here, then again it will come down, so it will oscillate in a way like this. So after a long time it will come to the equilibrium, and finally you will get this position. So this will happen when you will take that force, external force away suddenly. Now how you will calculate the work here? Here what you will do, again start with the same formula, integrate it, you will get this. So here P is constant actually, as you can see very well in this figure. This is your process path, so P is always constant. You can understand this, and immediately you will understand the pressure is constant. So what we are meant by pressure, this is external pressure, it is always 7 bar, but here you see that first pressure is not constant, gradually the pressure was reduced to 7 bar. So this is the difference, main difference. And here the pressure is supposed, and actually it is the external force pressure, not the internal. In the first case our external pressure was equal to the internal pressure, that's why we had taken, because you can see that it is always equal, because we were doing the process very gradually. This was the case, that's why we were not able to take it out. But here you can see that the pressure is constant, you can take it out, and then you apply the same thing and you will get this work. And now very important point comes here, that you are getting work 21,000 joule here. The work, the gas is doing work, and it is doing 21,000 kg joule only, but here you see that it is more by the amount 9,000, about 9,000 joule more work you are getting here when you are doing this gradually. So this is the point to understand here, and I will give a numerical problem based on this. So all the students need to solve that problem and tell the answer. So I end this lecture here. Thank you very much.